many time you want to remove only null value in your input. Consider my input. Here under string node I have a name as a null value and null field as a null value, but name is directly child of string and null field is a subchild of object with null. So this is not directly related to string. This is one level nested into this string dot object with null dot null field. Okay, when you use questionals, that time it will remove a null but only on one level, only on a same level. So see my jolt spec. I am imitating a structure, my root and then my first node string, and I am instructing jolt to squash all nulls on the level of string. So this will be considered and this will be removed, but this will not be considered because it is not directly on a same level, it is nested into another level. So name is removed from output but null field is left over. Okay, in case you want to remove all the fields, all the null field, let it be nested, let it be at any depth, then you go for recursive squash null. Recursively squash null, a same spec, just a function is changed. Previously function was squash null, now function is recursively squash null. Here it will look for all null recursively in the complete structure of JSON. So this will be removed and this will be also removed. So this will be clean structure.